Shading and lighting with Blender. During the month of October 2018, CG Cookie is hosting a 4-week online class designed to demystify high-quality lighting and shading of your Blender projects. My name is Kent Trammell. I'm a professional Blender artist and instructor, and this class format combines several different features of our website into a cohesive, communal learning experience. For 4 weeks, you, me, and your classmates are all focused on exploring the same topic together: shading and lighting. Week 1 is a primer that covers essential concepts like various render engines, including Cycles and Eevee, lighting with HDRIs, lighting with lamps, key render settings, core material properties with the principled shader, and more. Week 2 utilizes Eevee for lighting and shading a sports car. For Blender, Eevee ushers in the exciting world of real-time rendering within the PBR standard. It works differently than Cycles, and there's a lot to discover. Week 3 focuses on characters. It's an art to present your character models in the best light, where shapes are clearly readable, attention is focused in the right place, and where colors and mood are both appealing and intentional. Week 4 shifts focus to architectural visualization, where realism is paramount and render times can quickly get out of control. We'll explore the lighting and shading of an ArcViz scene, as well as how to optimize your render settings for the task. Each week has assigned pre-recorded videos that serve as the foundation of the curriculum, while each live stream is about 2 hours, part lecture, part demo, part Q&A. Another important aspect of the class is weekly homework, so that you're motivated by and accountable to a deadline for actually getting something done. As the instructor, I will be present in the class community forum thread to offer advice and homework grades throughout the month. Speaking of the community, CG Cookie classes foster a powerful group learning context. With you and your classmates learning the same thing together at the same time, you're not learning alone and you're not left asking questions to the internet void. You're going to leave the class with a lasting education. This class is available to all CG Cookie Citizen members. It officially starts October 1st with the first live stream on October 2nd. See you there.